If you want to make table orders, you have to select the table from the top, this button. Now you have to select the table, for example table 1. Now if you want, you have to first select the items for this table, then you need to click on this orange button, save and hold. Now if you want to reopen that same table and add more items, you have to click on table again. You can see this table is occupied. Click on this and then open table. Now you can add more items and save and hold will again save them. Now I want to make a print for the items to give it to the table. I will click on table, open the table again, then this gray button for print, I will click on this print. It will give me a print for the table to give it to them. Now if I want to close this table, I will click on table, open table. Now they have paid, I have to close this table. I have to click on continue, then their payment method, for example bank, then continue. Now this table will be closed. It will be able to occupy again.